Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we shall be looking at a part 2 of Unlock Our Creativity by making the Summerfest poster. For that, first we go to FreePic and download this image by rawpixel.com. Actually it's an vector, and then from vector nota we download this second one. Okay, that's all we need to do. Now we extract the contents and place the first one over here, make it into a bitmap at in RGB, rotate it to 90, and now we twirl it. Okay, we twirl it and take the corners and just twirl it a little bit like this. Make sure that you're not losing on the triangular details, because the whole concept is triangle. Okay, so just the edges a little bit. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, and now we let's take a shape, a pentagon, no, and 8 sides, and twirl that also a little bit just to make an abstract shape. Skew it, and then you select our image and power clip it within the shape. Put it at the center of the page and enlarge it to the abstract shape. Now what we are going to be doing is that now we take the second one, the second vector, and again in that also rotate it by 90 degrees, and now we place it. So make sure that your purple, green are all matching. Yeah, this is the right way. Yes, it's blending pretty well. Okay, so make a bounding box, then we power clip it within the bounding box and increase that vector. See, it's all small vectors. Now you come here and you convert this also into a bitmap, and then give it a transparency of 40%. And this is what you get. So you get that light, subtle background, which works very well for a summer feel. We are going to give the feel of summer. Now that image, we that is power clipped within this, we give it from both the sides, we give it a transparency effect. Make sure after every transparency you're converting it to a bitmap, otherwise there could be a problem. Now we come here and we make an angle of 45 degrees with the grid, and again another minus 45 with the grid. And so this is our grid, where from which we are now going to make a triangles. Yes, see, this is how you do it. Now this is not fitting because a triangle has its own way of moving. So the best way to do it is convert it to curves, delete the other nodes, and then pull it down. So you can pull the nodes. Otherwise, if it's a triangle, it's going to be a problem. Okay, check if all the three nodes are in place, and then we put it here. Let's give it a fixed size. So 60 by 120 is going to be our top one, and these are going to be smaller. Okay, so let it be 30 by 60. So we are going to have this kind of an output. Okay, take this triangle and now keep constructing a design as per your choice. Okay, but make sure that you are not distorting or taking away from the triangle, otherwise that 45-degree line is not going to match. Yeah, this is how you make sure it's even. Okay, copy paste this again, flip it down, and now let's make this big. So this 30, let's make it 45 and just put it somewhere. Okay, flip it and put it on the other end. So you get a good triangle and diamond shape output. Now take a 3-point triangle, 3-point rectangle, and make this really thin line. Now these are going to be our eraser line. Now this whatever others that are there, we make it golden at 1.5 point line, and this one just make it white with no outline. So these are our eraser lines. So it is going to erase from the background, which gives it a more defined drama to the whole output. Now we take our smart fill tool and this we give it a color. Make sure that you are working in your RGB palette only. Okay, because we are doing this all in RGB. So give it this vibrant blue. Okay, work with these lines in this way. You can trim it. See, this is, you take this other one, rotate it by 90 degrees and trim it. So this is going to be a central part where we are putting the slight vignette. Okay, and similarly do the same at different positions. The central kite shape that we had basically developed, enlarge it, make it white, and now we are going to uh, remove the golden outline and shift page down both of them and align them to one of the triangles. Make sure that it's aligned to the triangle so that it looks even. Okay, and give it a very low transparency of 70 or 80% so that it kind of just adds to the drama. Okay, once that is done, we just copy paste some more here and there to give it a whitish effect. And now what we are going to be doing is that again we show you the power of a dot. Okay, a simple point. So take your yellow vibrant color, take this, give it a 5-point size, and now just place it at 1 or 2 edge points and see, this is what you get. Okay, so this is the power of the point, that in so little so much can happen. Okay, now we are going to be taking these lines, copy paste them, and define our place them where our curves of the kite are. Okay, sorry, the lines of the kite are. Okay, and now if you see, they are coming out. So power clip everything that is outside. Power clip everything that is outside. So it goes inside the rectangle and therefore nothing is peeping out or and things like that. Now what we are going to be doing is that from here, now we are going to take our next step. That is putting these lines here. Okay. So we are getting that slight triangular type shape even at the end. So trim whatever that is extra. And now let's look at our coconut tree beach. Coconut tree on the beach. Let's search for an image. Yeah, this is good. By Asad Photo Maldives. Okay. So we say thanks to him. We take that image, make it the size of our artwork, whatever how much we require, and we take a crop tool and we crop how much ever we want. So we only want a tree. Why? And this image is selected because the tree is at perfectly 45 degrees. Okay. So you get our, we are even sticking to our angle that we have worked on. Great. So now make one image purplish. Okay. By changing this hue color balance in the color balance, and the other image we are again going to go into color balance, and this we will make bluish. So by going on the one spectrum you get purple, on the other spectrum you get blue. Okay, so that's how we are going to get. Let's add a little yellow also to this. Yeah, so see the purple and the blue, just like our background, is fitting perfectly fine. Now to blend both of these images, you give it a transparency and give the combined size of 215 so that it's fitting inside our area. Now I think we can play a little more with the transparency. Yeah. So a little bit of a background is also seen, and that works to our benefit. Okay. And let's remove this unneeded part also so that more of a background is seen. Yeah. This way and this way. Great. So now this is made. Now what we are going to be doing is that take this central one, copy paste it, move it slightly downwards. Okay. And now we are going to write Summer Fest. Okay. And we take our font, let's see. Yeah, Art Nouveau caps. Okay. Increase the size, center align it, and make Fest big. Make it at 72.65. Yeah, I think this is good. CE. Okay, centrally align it. And now add de la hotels. I mean, if this hotel does exist, I apologize for using your name. Okay. Uh, it's just an artwork. Star performers. Let's give some fictional names again. Okay. Star performers. And Adam Lopel. Okay. Sandra Potter. Yeah, these are just some fictional names. Again, if people like of this name do exist, my apologies for using your name. We use the same blue and give it the same vignette. So what happens, can you see the blue background is making a black text blue also. So without even adding color, we have added color to this because of the transparency. Now align everything, make this also 9 just like our rectangle, and put this kite shape here. Take it at the other end, weld all of them, give the blue. Okay, so this is complete. And now what happened to this? Oh my god, never mind, we rewrite it. Summer Fest. Okay, make it 65, make this upper one 45, and we are done. What happened to that one? Surprising. Never mind. See, this is very important. Keep checking your artwork because certain things might act a little funny. Now align these, ungroup them again, and say other details. So what are the other details? The other details are ticket at $10, happy hours 4 a.m. onwards. Okay, so we want a party to rock all the way till 4 a.m. and obviously then there should be an entry time. So let's keep it on this Sunday, this party 22/10/2013, and you are all invited at 9 p.m. onwards. Yeah, so that's what it is. Reduce the font size and we are done with our artwork. So again, just by playing with point, line, mask and shape, this is what we can get. If you like this artwork, please like, subscribe and do not forget to share because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.